Hi everyone. Today I am going to take you through a step-by-step walkthrough of how to fill the NEET PG 2025 application form. The form has just been released and the last date to apply is May 6th, 2025. So don't wait till the last moment. Let's start with the registration process. First, visit the official NBE website and click on NEET PG 2025 application. Click on New Registration and fill out your basic details. Your name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, etc. Be very careful. Once you submit this page, you won't be able to change most of these fields later. For example, your name, DOB, nationality, gender, and email ID are non-editable. Once registered, you will get your login credentials via email and SMS. Use them to log in. Now, let's go to the application form section. In personal details, you'll have to enter your father's and mother's name, nationality identification proof, like PAN card, voter ID, passport. The document you upload here should match exactly with what you enter. Next, academic details, MBBS university name, internship status. Select I'll be completing internship on or before 15th August 2025. If you're an intern state and city of your college medical registration number, then upload your scanned photo, signature and thumb impression. Make sure the size and background follow NBE's guidelines. Review the form carefully. Now, proceed to pay the fees.